Hello everyone, so today we will talk a bit about the bridge command. So let's create maybe one plane, we'll duplicate it. Let's create a cube, I'll duplicate the cube as well. So what we can have in here. So let's imagine that we have two objects, okay, two big objects, and we want to have a bridge here. Have the bridge in here. So I will delete, for example, this face, and on that object this face. Let's select, oops, before before we want to use the bridge command, let's select both of the objects and combine them. So let's go to the edge, select the edge, and for both objects, the edges, select one edge for example, and try to bridge it. Yeah, great. We can select all the rest edges, yeah, and bridge it as well. Awesome. We can fill the hole, yeah. Okay, but let's create again cube, duplicate the cube. We can select the face. Oops, we need to combine them as well. We can select one face, another face, and just bridge it. Awesome. We can add divisions. Definitely. We can use that twist. Nice. Taper. And here we cannot see that. Okay. This is a plus minus source. This is a inversion. Show on a different example. Bridge offset. You can turn it if you can see that your let's say object not straight enough, for example. Yeah, you can play with the offset in order to straighten the bridge. And curve. And give me a second, I will try to explain them as well. So let's imagine that we have two cubes, one somewhere here, one is somewhere here. So let's combine them. Select one face, another face, and the bridge command. As you can see, if you want such a result, you can have it. Okay, but if we, for example, want to use the band, it doesn't work because we don't have a divisions. So let's add some divisions. Yeah, and play with the paper a bit. We can even twist a bit in order to have some kind of interesting shape. Can go to the minus operation, and now you can see what kind of a difference it makes. So, like an opposite, yeah. So, but in our case, everything was made properly, so we can go to the plus direction and the bridge offset. As you can see, we use it twist, and sometimes without a twist, when the zero value of a twist you have, you can gain some kind of this operation if you not clear properly history or not properly face selected or something like that, and you have ability to, let's say, rotate that bridge and have a proper let's say so without bending or something like that. Okay, so definitely if you have a curve, you can follow your curve, the selected curve, I mean. Okay, so basically it's simple like that. Definitely we can select the planes. Yeah, select them both, just combine it. Select one face, one in here. Boom, you have a bridge. And make again, bend. Let's twist it. Add even more divisions. And as you can see, it's a simple thing like that. Okay, so let's make another cube. Just delete one face. And for example, if you will select, double click on the edge, you will select the loop. Yeah, you can select the bridge and fill the hole. in that manner. Yeah, on the cube it will work on four-sided or something like that. If you will have, let's say, okay, I will delete, just clean the scene. Let's imagine that we have something more. Please delete the spaces. I will double click. I will just click for a loop. As you can see, right now we're filling the hole. We have not closed properly the hole. It like fill the hole this button, or remember, to be honest, where is the button is located? Okay, under the mesh, fill the hole. The same operation, as you can see, if we will select that one, fill the hole. However, if you will try to use the next bridge in that, let's say, manner, so select everything, try to deselect past these edges, and try to create a bridge. Right now, as you can see, you have perfectly bridged with a proper, let's say, lines and divisions. Yeah. So in that manner, it's easier, just to deselect your edges and use that bridge. Okay, so probably that's it for a bridge. It's a simple command. Okay, yeah.